So today I'm at the store Toys and Party, and today we're gonna go fidget hunting. So they have a lot of cool stuff here, but I'm not sure if they have fidgets. They have a bunch of craft things and like costumes and Easter things, but we'll see if they have fidgets. So let's go look around. Okay, so right here is the Easter aisle. I don't see any fidgets here, but let's look at these little things. Let's look at these little things. There's bath toys, that thing. Oh, what's this? Oh my god, guys, we found our first fidget. It's a stress ball with air. Does it light up? I don't feel a light up thing in there. This is really cool. We will remember this is here. And this is more Easter stuff, but I'm still gonna look because as you saw last time, when in the other Easter section we saw stuff, but I don't see anything in this one. Ooh, what's this? It's a bouncy thing. Ah. Oh, lights up. Okay. I don't think it's a fidget, but it's pretty cool. Oh, it's a slinky. They have a slinky, and we have found our second fidget. They have a bunch, and they are a rainbow slinky. Oh, hold on, this bothers me. There we go. So we have found our second fidget, but I'm still gonna keep looking around. Slinky. Ooh. Sand. It says Zand Stretch Sand. This is interesting. I mean, we can consider this a fidget, right? I think we're gonna consider it a fidget. So we have found 3 fidgets so far. I'm gonna try to keep track. They also have all this model magic. There's quite a lot. Like, they have a lot of clay and like molding tools. Let's start on this side. They have all these glow sticks. Let's sit down here. Oh, is this a squishy? It's a squishy. Okay, we found our 4th fidget. And then they have monkey noodles. They have all these monkey noodles right here. These are the caterpillar kind. This is the caterpillar kind. And then this isn't the unicorn kind. This is like a cat. That's cool. They have these spiky balls, but they're aliens. Wow, okay, I don't think I'm even gonna count anymore because there's all so many. They also have this and these mini slinkies. They have more slinkies here. Let's look down here now. They have these thingies. What is this? Oh, it's another like squishy kind of. Here's another squishy. They have a lot of squishies here. Let's go. Ooh, what's this? What is this? I don't know. Let's keep looking. Let's look on this side. Are these just bouncy balls? Yes. More bouncy balls. More bouncy balls. These are definitely bouncy balls. I'm like feeling everything with their fidgets. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see anything on. Ooh, this is squishy. Let's look on this side again. Oh yeah, I have one of these. They were a party favorite at my birthday party. They are not fidgets though. Infinity! I found an infinity cube! Oh my god, okay, wait. Look, Okay, so this whole bucket is full of whistles, but I just found an infinity cube right on top of it. This is cool. They call it a fiddle fidget cube. Okay. This is cool. Okay. I'm gonna put that there. Remember it's there. And then they have all these squishies. They have this alien. They have this donut. They have another donut. They have a lot of donuts in all different colors. And a bunch of aliens in different colors. Or these fidgets. No, they're batteries. These look like mini popsies. Nothing down here. The heck? Do you guys see that? These squishies. They have a lot of squishies here. And they have a bunch of school supplies. What is this? What is this? So let's go down this aisle. It's not focusing. There. They have all these cars. Let's look on this side first, and then we'll look on the other side. Pop tubes! There are pop tubes! They have mini pop tubes here. How much are these? I must know. $3 for 3 pop tubes. They have this one. They have this set. I think that's all the sets they have. Yeah. This is cool. We found pop tubes, guys. We found pop tubes. Wow. Okay. Toys and Party has pop tubes. Wow. Put that up there. Well, we found so many fidgets so far, but we've only covered like a little bit of the store. What's this? Sticky unicorn. What the heck? Interesting. They have Foam Alive. Scented Foam Alive. What? I've never seen this anywhere else. I have that thingy. It looks like kinetic sand. Wait, what's this? What is this? Is this a fidget? No. Something you blow up. It says avocado stress ball. Say what? Okay, it literally says avocado stress ball, and it was hanging here, and the things back there aren't this. So, what in the world is this? Wait, we should feel it. It looks really dirty. It's an avocado stress ball, guys. Like, seriously, what? Avocado stress ball. That's literally all it says. $10. I'm sorry, but that is too much. So we're gonna put this right there. What's this? Perfect putty. It's not okay now. There's more pop tubes there. Oh my god, what is it? Glow in the dark pop tubes? I cannot reach that. It's my dad. He can get those down for us. 'Cause I cannot reach that. Squishy face. What in the world is this? Hold on. This is... Oh! Wow. What's this? Bouncing putty? What? They have all this cool stuff that I've never seen before. What's this? These are like mochis! Kiji Buddies unicorns? This is cool. They're like mochis, kind of. They have this magic puff thing. And then... let's see. Oh yeah, that's where all the magic puff is. So, yes. Wait, what? Oh my god! What the? Oh my... What? Are you serious right now? Guys, I cannot process this. Like, what? Are you kidding right now? Look! Okay, it says Crystal Squish Stretch Ball, Crystal Ball, Sensory Fidget Fun. Wait, I must know how much this is. This is so cool. much is it? It doesn't say. Let's see. It doesn't say how much it is. Oh, it's $3. Okay, I'm getting one. ASAP. Hey, look what I found.
But have you, okay, and then I'll show you what I found.
Look. Can I show your face?
Yeah.
You have a mask.
Ooh, now look what I found.
What?
The fork where food is never out of the reach. The long fork. Wait.
I think I'm getting one of these. They're $3. Pop tails. Oh yeah, I was gonna ask you, can you get those down for us?
These?
Yeah. These are glow-in-the-dark pop tubes. I saw these at the Dollar Tree, so I don't think I'm going to get any, but these are still really cool. They have a yellow, purple, pink, green, and blue one. I have a white, light blue, peach, and peach glow-in-the-dark pop tube.
So you're not going to get the long fork?
No. Wow, we found so many fidgets so far. This is really cool. They have more glow-in-the-dark pop tubes right here as well. And I feel like the coolest thing so far that we found is this avocado stress ball and these stress balls. Like, I love stress balls, and I am getting this ASAP. So I'm gonna put this in my dad's basket. Which color should I get? I'm so indecisive. I don't know what color I'm gonna get. What color of stress ball do I not have that much of? Let's do orange. Oops. We'll leave this out so other people can feel it. But there's only one blue left, I think. Oh no, it fell on the ground. I'm getting orange. Oh no, there's two blue left. Okay. I'm gonna put this in my dad's basket, because I kind of need it. What the heck? What is this? Okay, you have to be kidding me right now. Glow-in-the-dark squish stretch ball. It's a jumbo stress ball. Are you kidding me right now? I need this in my life. Sensory fun for all. How much is this? I must know right away. $7. I'll think about it, but it's really cool. Like, it's a light blue color. We found so many fidgets so far. Nice, buddy. Wow, okay. There's a lot of ooh, ice cream cloud putty. Interesting. The heck is this? The heck? Finger puppets. Oh, there's a finger puppet on the thing. We found a stretchy banana. Okay, I already have one of these, so I'm not going to get any.
What are you thinking about?
They have oddballs.
You're an oddball.
They're like...
stuff in here I've never seen.
Look at this.
Not getting much.
Oh.
Look at it.
Look at this. It's like a jumbo stress ball. And right next to it, we found needles. This is cool. Okay, wait. I was going to put something in the basket. They have galaxy stress balls. Okay, I'm getting this instead. How much is it? $5. Okay, I'm getting... Oh, this one's $30. I'm getting this one back here. It's a galaxy stress ball. Galaxy squish stretch ball. We're getting that.
Look at this.
What? Yeah, I saw that, but it's $8.
Have you tried it?
Yep. They have cat stress balls too. Oh, that looks like a jumbo needle. Don't break it.
No, they said squish stretch ball. Just you could stretch it.
Oh, okay. They have these have sand inside. They're like a stress ball. These are cool. They have these also stretchy bananas, which I already have.
You gonna get one of these?
I already put one in. Oh, they have a mystery box. It's $30. Wait, it's
21 pieces.
$30 for 21 fidgets.
That could be a whole video.
I didn't bring $30. Dang it. They have all these jumbo stress balls. I'll pay you back later.
When you get home?
Yeah. Actually, no, that's too much.
They have 21 fidgets today.
They have this stretchy dough ball right here. They have too much. I can't decide. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna decide, honestly. They have these fidgets. They have this.
It's a siren whistle. Just a whistle.
And then they have these caterpillar things and these mini galaxy stress balls. And then these things. Ooh, this is cool. That's satisfying. And then they have these shaggy. Ooh, this is satisfying. They have these shaggy balls and this thingy. I don't know what this is.
Also, you can show what's in our basket. Show what we're gonna eventually take.
Well, we're gonna get this stuff, but the only fidget I put in here so far is this cool galaxy stress ball. So I think I need it in my life. Ooh!
I knew you would like this.
It's an infinity cube.
What's
Ooh,
this?
what's this? Ooh, what's this? Yeah, it looks like a puzzle. It's an infinity cube. How much is this? It's a weighted one. It's $15. No, thank you.
The more you spend, the probably better the
I want these. I'm getting this. I don't care. I don't think I'll get anything else since I put that in there. Ooh. They have all these poppets here. More mystery boxes up there. Guys, if you have a Toys and Party near you and you want fidgets, you should. A plain black snapper? This is rare. This is really rare. They have the more pop tubes and they have all these poppets. Guys, this is too much. These are kind of basic though. Ooh, you can't stop popping. Which one are you get? It says common, cupcake, hand, puzzle, sunflower, ultra rare, unicorn, astronaut. That is not ultra rare. They have these jumbo poppets. Ooh, what's this? Huh?
bouncing balls.
Huh?
Bouncing balls.
They have all of these. I want to get these, but I already got the mystery box, which is really expensive. I have this one at home. They have all these putties. Gold Rush. Wow, that looks fancy. Ooh, this is hide and seek. This is like hide and seek in the putties. They have so much. Ooh, I got my friend this one. It's like transparent. Ooh, I like this camel one. Look at this camel one. I like it a lot. Huh. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's like a DNA ball, but with eyeballs. This is really rare, but I don't think I want it.
Putty.
Yeah, I saw that. They have a lot of putty here.
Rude noise putty.
I already I looked at this aisle. They have a lot of things. They have too much. I cannot process it all. Oh, I didn't finish looking at the putties. So they have this camel one, which I really like, but I already got that mystery box, which is probably a lot. Like, ooh, they have that bin of squishies. Ooh. Look at all these stuffed animals. It's a wall of stuffed animals. Like, they have too much. I cannot process it all. They have all these bin of squishies. I could spend $500 in here. I could spend $500 in here. Look, they have these. They don't have any fidgets in this aisle. I don't think. No, they don't. Ooh, what's this? No, it's not squishy. I don't think. They have more pockets here. They're kind of basic, so I don't think I'm going to get any of those. Ooh, a second. They have these slinkies, which I saw earlier. I have a lot of stress balls here, which is my favorite type of fidget. So more stuff in the front, like these squishies, for example. So rice squishies, and more of these birds. Oh, there's something in it. I think it lights up. Yep, it lights up. We'll leave it there to light up. I do not believe there's anything else. Okay, so fidget mystery boxes have so many poppets, guys, and so many stress balls. Like this is like a stress ball, and they have so many, they have so much slime and putty. Like wow, this store has so much. Guys, I just found these squiddles. I think I'm going to. I want to get one of these, but they're $10, so maybe I'll get them another time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, fidget hunting at Toys and Party. If you have Toys and Party near you and you're looking for fidgets, definitely go here. They have so many stress balls, poppets, slime, and putty. You just kind of have to look around because it's a really big store. But I'm going to have a separate video of testing out that Galaxy stress ball I got, and I'm going to have a separate video of opening that fidget mystery box, so please stay tuned, please. And like and subscribe if you want, and I will see you later in those videos that I post, okay? Bye!